welcome back to this channel. My name is Brandy. If you're new here and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back for another video. I'm so happy you're here. If you haven't yet, definitely consider subscribing. And in today's video, I'm gonna be just basically doing like a get ready with me, just talking, life update, chit chat video. To get started and everything, I'm just gonna start with foundation. I already started putting some on and I'll just finish up the rest of my makeup. So I guess I'm just gonna start off with this morning and kind of work backwards in a sense. But this morning, I always say this morning, so funny. This morning, Clifton, my fiance, if you don't know, but he actually dropped off our dog Weston at the vet to get neutered today. So that was kind of like a really good thing because we've honestly put it off for way too long. We finally got it done today, and I don't know, it just like affected me much more than I expected. I was just like giving him so many hugs and kisses and just telling him I love him so much, and like I just feel bad that he has to get this done, but like he needs to get it done type of thing, you know. So that's what happened this morning, and now basically kind of work backwards. We just got back from Illinois about like I'd say like 2 weeks ago. But yeah, we just got back from Illinois like 2 weeks ago. Honestly, the trip that we took wasn't like on the most positive note, mainly just because Clifton, my fiance's aunt, actually was on hospice. So that was really rough, honestly. I'm really grateful that we got to go at least, and I'm grateful that he got to spend that time with her and just be around family and friends, and so grateful that we got to take that trip. We're there for about 4 days, and then real quick, I'm just using a concealer. I've been using this stuff for like ever. I have to go buy new makeup soon, but I've used the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. So while we were in Illinois though, the one thing that I am so grateful we got to do as well is I got to meet up with one of my best friends from literally first grade, Shay, and ask her to be my matron of honor for the wedding. So that was so awesome. I'll add a clip in here and some pictures of like what I gave her and just meeting up with her and everything, and some pictures of us together. So yeah, I got to do that, which was really awesome. Got to catch up with her. She's just so crazy. Like the last time I saw her, she was not married. She did not have kids or anything, and now she has 2 kids. She's married. She bought a house. Like, things are so different in such a short amount of time. I'm so proud of her though. She's such a good mom, and I'm so proud of her. But yeah, that's what we did while we were there. I'm super happy I got to do it in person too, because I wasn't really thinking I was gonna be able to do that. I thought I was gonna have to mail something over. And because we weren't able to take a lot of stuff on the plane ride, and also because Amazon just takes a lot longer to get to a small town, I wasn't able to get like the certain items that I wanted on Amazon. So I just kind of like made do. So I made that like cute little crate type thing with a few different items in it, and I think it turned out pretty cute. But yeah, so that is what we did there. And then I'm being honest, like me and Clifton haven't flown in a few years, and I haven't been on a plane very often myself, just in general. So every time we're on that plane, I swear, I don't know why, like as soon as we're on the plane and we're about to take off or about to land, it's so nerve-wracking though. But thankfully I got to fly with Clifton right next to me, and he's not afraid of flying at all. He literally wants to go skydiving. I'm just like, I have no desire to do that. But anyways, everything went well, but I'm like literally praying on the plane that everything goes smoothly and we land and we're safe. Real quick, I am now going in with some powder. I just used the L'Oreal True Match one, and it's usually in the warm tone, and it is the Porcelain W1 for the shade. Again, like I said, I need to go buy new makeup, and all of this is like needs to be wiped down. But another thing I've been up to lately is, yeah, I started going to the chiropractor, and I'm very new to all of this, so I've only been 3 appointments now, and I have my 4th one later this week on Friday. So far what they've done is they had me fill out like a lot of paperwork and like asking questions on like where it hurts. They did x-rays, which I'll also add in some clips of like just my time at the chiropractor in here too. But they've done x-rays, and then they do this like electric stimulation type therapy thing where they basically have me sit in a chair. They put ice on my lower back, ice on like my neck and shoulder area. And then they have these little pads that have like little electricity that runs through it, I guess. I don't know. And they put 2 at the bottom of my back and then 2 on the top of my shoulder area, or like back still, but upper back. So honestly, the first time I did it, I was a little nervous because I even asked Clifton, I was just like, what the heck? They're gonna like use electricity on me? I'm gonna be like electrocuted? Like, what the heck? Like, I'm just overthinking it, and it's not like that at all. It doesn't hurt at all. It actually helps a lot and feels really good. Like, so far, so good. I've only done it a couple times already, so, but afterwards I feel pretty good. And it doesn't hurt at all. It just kind of like tingles more so than anything. Real quick, I'm just gonna go in with, I already started opening it, but the Revlon matte, like lip color, that's what it says. It's basically like lip gloss, but it's all matte. And I just really wanted to do this because looking at myself in the camera with like foundation on my lips is driving me nuts. And then also, not too long ago, like last weekend, one of my really close friends, Liz, she actually invited me to her sister's 21st birthday. So that was really fun. She rented out like a full party bus for her. And then afterwards, we stopped at Gilly, clips in it here. Okay, so next I'm going to do is eyeshadow. I'm just going to use the CoverGirl Nudes palette, and I'm just going to go in with, obviously, just like the base one right here. Again, I need to buy makeup brushes too. I'm like all out of those. I only have a couple right now, and I kind of have darker colors on them, so I'm just kind of staying away from those. So there's that, and then I'm going to use a little bit of this lighter one. It's not gonna be the best makeup today, but it will do. So another thing that is actually coming up here very soon is Clifton's birthday. That's gonna be on May 10th, so that should be a lot of fun. We're actually gonna go to dinner and then go bowling. So we'll be doing that here shortly. That's gonna be technically celebrated a day before his birthday just because of like work schedules and everything. But that'll be here this upcoming Sunday, so I'm really excited for that. Also, just real quick, I'm gonna go in with this darker brown color into the crease of my eye, or the corner. I need to buy more black eyeliner too because I'm like all out. So I guess no eyeliner for today, most likely, at least. I can actually get a little bit of this eyeliner out, thankfully. I really thought I wouldn't even be able to get any of it, so that works. So another thing I've done recently is I went to the dentist, and just for a checkup and cleaning and everything and x-rays, and that went well too. So just trying to make sure I get everything kind of checked off my to-do list for the most part, and make sure I'm taking care of myself. I'm gonna put on some mascara now. My favorite mascara ever is the Falsies Flared one right here, and I never get waterproof mascara ever. I absolutely cannot stand waterproof mascara because it's so hard to take off, and I also feel like it's just, I don't know, it makes like the next day putting mascara on so much worse too. It does not look good on me. I just don't like waterproof. So I always make sure I get this one right here. I absolutely love mascara. If I was to pick like one product, if I can only choose one product, it would be mascara. Okay, so I finished the mascara, and then now I'm just gonna do some bronzer really quick. I'm just using the e.l.f. palette. Kind of go in between the two colors right here, more so than anything. I don't really ever use the top ones. Okay, and last but not least, after everything is like blended in, I'm going to actually put some blush on. I don't usually always do this, but lately I have, and I've just been doing it like across the top of my cheeks right here, and a little bit across the nose. Like I said, I don't always do that, but I don't know, I've been liking it a little bit lately. Yeah, that's the finished look. I'm gonna hop off real quick, go do my hair. All right, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. See you later.